Today we are going to talk about a very simple option of Excel. Simple, but at the same time very important one. Consolidate. Now what is consolidate? If you are a team lead or if you are a person sitting at a desk gathering all the reports from different sources and putting all of them together, then this particular option is very important for you. So as a team lead or as a person who gathers all the information from different sources, what you do day in and day out is copy and paste the data. There are 10 different people sending 10 different spreadsheets. You copy the data from each of the spreadsheet and put it in one spreadsheet in order to consolidate that particular data and then run analysis on that data. Now, you need not copy paste anymore. Here is a simple option which Excel gives you. We'll split this into two parts. The first part is a simple consolidate. The second part shows us the link to the source consolidate. Now let's talk about the first part of it. If you see the sheets here, East region, West region, North region, and there is a consolidate sheet. Now let's think that these three sheets have come from different sources to you, and you need to consolidate all these three sheets and put it into the consolidate one spreadsheet here. Now people ask me questions. Will it work if it is there in a different sheet, in the same sheet? Will it work if the data is present in different workbook or different Excel files? Yes, it works. Now what you have to do? Go to consolidate or wherever you want to consolidate the data. Click the place or click the cell where you want to put the data after consolidating. Go to data. Click on this particular option here. Under the data tools, you'll get an option called consolidate. Okay, don't look at anything here. You have a reference. Straight away go to any one of your sheet or one of your workbook where the data is there. Select this particular data which you want to consolidate. Add it. That data gets added to this particular bucket here. Go to the next sheet. This is an AI feature of Excel maybe. It has automatically selected. I just need to add it to this particular bucket. So both the data are added, East region and West region. Let's go to North region now. Add it again. All the three are added. Now if you see this particular table or any of these three tables, my topmost row and the leftmost column are my labels. They don't change. Only the data changes. Only the values change here. So where are my labels? I'm going to check this top row and left column. Then click OK. Very simple. So the data in all the three sheets is consolidated and it is here right at this point of time. Now whiteboard 960, how did we get this? If you go to whiteboard here, 750 plus 120 here in the west and here 90 in the east. Total 960. Now what happens in case if there is an extra product in one of the sheets? This might be one of the questions, right? So instead of in the North region, instead of whiteboard, let's make it blackboard. What happens in this particular case? Let's go to consolidate once again. Let's put it here. Now, I just need to go to data. I just need to click consolidate. The values are already there because I selected earlier. I just need to click OK here. Look at this. Whiteboard 210, blackboard 750. North region blackboard is 750, West region, whiteboard is 120 plus whiteboard 90 in the East region. That comes up to whiteboard 210 and blackboard 750. That's how it works. What happens in case if the column is different in one of the sheets? Let's check that also. Instead of units sold, let's make a spelling mistake. Let's make it sold. Let's come down here. Let's go to data, consolidate. Okay, there you go. If the columns are different, it is treated differently. So consolidate matches the column and matches the row labels, and likewise it consolidate all the data along with the values. This is a simple consolidate option. This is our part 2. Alright, so let's move to part 2 now. Now part 2 is linking to the source data. Now what is this linking to the source data? Let's go to our first part once. We consolidated here all the data. We saw the different options. Now if we change this particular value, this 750 from north region has come here. So I'll go ahead and change this to 7500. Now this data will not reflect here because this is one-time consolidate. Once you consolidate, no matter how many times the source data gets changed, it will not be reflected in the consolidate. So let's go to linking to the source data. Now what happens here? Let's first try doing that. Go to data, consolidate. Here I'll take my first source table. Then I'll take the next source table, automatically selected, just add. I'll go to the next source table again, select it, add. My top row and left column are my labels. Now after this, if you see here, there is a create links to source data. I'm going to check this. Click OK. Do you see a grouping happened here? You click inside this and you'll see a formula now. Grapes, it says 45, right? Let's go back. Here there's a 45 grapes. Let's make this 450. Let's go back to that place. 450. It's automatically changed. It has consolidated. Now let's click on this particular plus. If you see this, 360 apples. Double click on this. There is a formula. Sum from D4 to D6. That is from here to here. 120, 130, 110. From where this 120, 130 and 110 have come? Click on one of the values. You will see that source. So store A, B6. Store A, B6. This is the data. So from each of the sheet, it gets the data here first and it adds and gives you a table separately and it groups it. Beautiful, isn't it? So this is consolidate part 2. Now going ahead, there is just one more option. This is a sum. You can count it, you can average it, maximum, minimum, product, any of the mathematical functions which are listed here you can do using this particular one. So this is the end of the consolidate options. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop in the comment box below. Please do subscribe and like the video if you liked it already. Thank you so much.